In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Microsoft Bookings calendar to Outlook. By the end, you'll have bookings living right inside Outlook so you can manage appointments without switching tabs. Microsoft Bookings is a scheduling tool that connects to your work or school calendar, helps people book time with you or your team, and keeps everything synchronized. This quick setup works in Outlook on the web, the new Outlook app, and even inside Microsoft Teams. First, open Outlook or Microsoft Teams. Use whichever you prefer. The steps are essentially the same. Make sure you're signed in with your work or school account that has access to Microsoft Bookings. If your organization manages apps centrally, availability may depend on your admin settings. Next, look for More Apps on the left-hand sidebar. In Outlook, that's the vertical rail where you see Mail, Calendar, and other icons. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see app names. More Apps reveals additional tools that can be added to your Outlook experience. In Teams, you'll find a similar apps area along the left rail. Click Add Apps. This opens the App Hub where you can browse Microsoft-approved apps that integrate with Outlook and Teams. Think of this as your catalog for extending Outlook's functionality. Now find and click Bookings. You're looking for the official Microsoft Bookings app from Microsoft. If it's not immediately visible, use the search box at the top to type Bookings. When you open its details, you'll see a short description, ratings, and permissions. If your organization restricts apps, you might see a message indicating that approval is required. Click Open to launch Bookings in Outlook. The app will load in a panel and connect to your Microsoft 365 account. If you're prompted for any permissions, review and accept them so the app can access your calendar data. Once it opens, you'll see your bookings, calendars, and services if they're already set up. From here, you can view schedules, check availability, and manage bookings without leaving Outlook. Finally, pin the app for easy access. Look for a pin icon or right-click the bookings icon in your sidebar and choose Pin. Pinning keeps bookings visible so you can return to it with a single click. You can also arrange your sidebar so your most used apps are at the top. That's it. You've added Microsoft Bookings to Outlook, opened it, and pinned it so it's always handy. If you don't see Bookings or can't open it, your organization may need to enable it. Otherwise, you're ready to streamline scheduling right inside Outlook.